Everyone, this is the Ielasi Dusty RCE, an OS 21 XRB based engine, the XRB being the cheapest 0.21 OS that you can buy. It is worth 208 euros, but this one is very expensive. This one is sold for 429 euros here in France, and it's even more expensive in the US and the UK. So I'm very curious to see what do you get for those extra 220 euros and that's about $240. And also I heard that this engine tunes really good with low nitro content fuel, so that's one of the reasons I bought this engine. Also it was cheaper in Italy. I got this engine directly from Italy. So let's check it out. Let's start with the cooling head. A very small cooling head, very lightweight and very nice. I really like it. I like it very much. I like the logos. I like the shape and the color. The bottom head that comes with a 0.10 millimeters head shim for 16% nitro and a 0.2 millimeters head shim for 25% nitro. Turbo head of course, and a head O-ring. I don't know if the original XRB comes with the head O-ring, but this is a very good feature. The carb 21J, which is a great carb. Long low speed needle. The block that comes with a double shield Ielasi front bearing and a ceramic rear bearing. The original XRB comes with two regular bearings, steel bearings. The block is coated, black coated, looking really good. The machine inside the block is perfect, very nice. Backplate, just a regular backplate, no steel insert like the high-end OS. The sleeve, the exhaust port is pretty small, a very basic sleeve, 3 ports, nothing crazy. The fangs here, those small fangs, are made by Ielasi. Perfect cuts. The exhaust port is also stuck, no timing mods there. The machining in the sleeve is perfect, very nice machining. The piston, we have a pretty beefy connecting rod, a machine piston, and some minimal scratches there. All the Look at that. That one is not looking that good. But I can't feel it with my fingernail. A handling issue there. Let's move to the crankshaft. It looks like there's missing some DLC there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not really sure. We have an Ielasi fang here, and he's dipped a little bit with the Dremel. This is just a detail. Cosmetic stuff, and no DLC inside the crankshaft. Nice and oily, but we do have a little bit of rust there, as there's no DLC inside the crankshaft. That's crazy. It comes with this second, but it didn't work. I'm pretty sure that the DLC is not made by OS. I mean, this is just a detail, okay? Reminds me of that Nova B5R, but the B5R was looking worst. Well, you know, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I pay for my stuff, and when I buy a DLC crankshaft, well, I like to have DLC everywhere, inside and outside the crankshaft. We have some cuts here, very clean cuts, and silicone filled. I don't know if the original XRB is silicone filled. I don't think so. No shark fin, no tungsten weights. Like I said, this is a basic engine. Alright guys, let me know what do you think about this engine. I see, well, some minimal issues there, but you know, this is an expensive engine, and well, I show you the details. Yes, it is sad, but nothing to worry about. I'm not sending this engine back to the seller. I'm gonna clean it, reassemble, and give it a try. So let me know in the comments what do you think about this engine, and I see you very soon for the braking and first run video. Thanks for watching.